This training video overviews the Avigilon Alta H6SL Dome Cloud Native Camera. This camera connects directly to Alta Aware, Avigilon's cloud video management system. This camera is part of the Avigilon Alta H6SL line and is a versatile security solution. Let's take a closer look at the camera. Located here is the vandal-resistant dome cover. Highlighted here is the surface mount adapter. This is used to mount the dome camera to a wall, ceiling, or electrical box. Shown here is the side cable entry cover, which covers the cable entry hole. Use the 3-star shaped captive screws to fix the dome cover to the base. In the next segment, let's take a closer look at the key features on the camera. Located here is the Ethernet port, which accepts power and Ethernet connections to the network. The camera can only be powered by power over Ethernet. Server communication and image data transmission also occur over this connection. Shown here is the link LED indicator. The amber LED indicates an active connection in the Ethernet port. Next to the link LED indicator is the connection status LED indicator. The green LED provides information about the device's operation. The microSD slot is located here and contains the pre-installed onboard storage. Next, let's look at the camera's other side. Here is the IR illuminator, which is only available on IR models. This provides scene illumination in the IR spectrum. Shown here is the input-output connector block. It provides connections to external I/O and audio devices. Shown here is the microphone port. The port provides a connection to the microphone accessory. This feature is only available on indoor models. The micro USB port is located here, but it's not currently in use. Use the cable management clip to secure the I/O cable. Highlighted here is the azimuth control, which controls the camera's image angle. To adjust the image tilt, use the tilt lock thumb screw. Located here is the serial number tag, which provides device information, part number, MAC address, Alta key, and a QR code. To add cameras to the Alta Aware video management system, scan the QR code. For more information, see the installation video. Let's take a look at the bottom of the camera. Shown here is the lanyard anchor. It attaches to the anchor to prevent the camera from falling during installation. Highlighted here is the cable entry hole. A vent is located here to allow moisture vapor to escape the sealed housing and equalize pressure. Next, let's look at the surface mount adapter. Shown here is the safety lanyard that attaches to the anchor to prevent the camera from falling during installation. On either side of the housing shown here are 2 clips that keep the camera gimbal in place. These camera housing clips snap to hold the camera module during installation. Highlighted here is the cable entry hole. Use the mounting holes here for various electrical boxes. Located here is the optional pipe entry hole. It accepts conduit pipe sizes for interior and exterior applications. For the other mounting options, consult the installation guide. The installation guide can be accessed on the Avigilon website. This completes the overview of the Avigilon Alta H6SL Dome Cloud Native Camera.